Hi guys, Mrs. Shiny here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my January Boxycharm unboxings. Let's go ahead and get into it. This month's theme is Boxy and Chill. I'm not going to look at the back because that tells you everything you need to know about the products that are in here. But I did know a couple things that I was going to be getting, so I'm going to go ahead and get them out now. I did know that I was going to get a Tarte palette. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette. Smaller in size than what I thought it would be, just from looking at it online. But let's go ahead and see what color scheme that I did get. They all look relatively the same online, but I feel like Tarte is kind of known for doing that. Here we go. So pretty neutral, I would say. All shimmers really, except for this one right here. These are all shimmer shades, and then that would be maybe like a crease shade. If I was going to critique the palette, I would say I would want a darker brown or a white as opposed to that many shimmers, but I will give it a try and let you know. Interesting, I'm glad we got more than one. This is the other sneak peek that I got. This is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. These retail for $24. We did get two of them in here. I do not have anything that I can recall from Tatcha, even with samples from Sephora. So this would be my first Tatcha experience. I don't really know what to say about sheet masks because I kind of feel when I put a sheet mask on, like a little claustrophobic and a little like drowny, like I can't breathe. And it's really cold and uncomfortable, but I'll give it a shot because everyone else in the world loves sheet masks except for me. So glad to have those. So we got two of them. This next brand I have heard so many things about. I tried the mask and didn't like it, but I didn't leave it on for that long and I was showering with hard water. This is the Briogeo Rosarco Milk. This is a reparative leave-in conditioning spray. No sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. 2 fluid ounces. This is definitely something that I can use right now with my bleach blonde hair, and this is a product that has an MSRP of $12. So very excited to give this a shot. See if I can smell it. It smells pretty good. Ooh, we got another Ofra liquid lipstick. Got it in a Kathleen Lights collab. This is the Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Havana Nights. This was actually in my Ulta Loves at one point to purchase, so that's awesome. And I am currently wearing a Ofra liquid lipstick right now that I got as part of my Christmas present. It was in a gift with purchase from Ulta. This is in the shade Sao Paulo. So, very excited. And we got a brow pencil. This looks very dark. It's supposed to be universal, so I'll have to see. This is Billion Dollar Brows Universal Brow Pencil. Just looks like a twist up brow pencil, and it does come with a spoolie. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this. Looks like this has an MSRP of $18. You know, that might not be too bad. I feel like my brows look a bit darker than they usually do today because I tried using that Benefit brow product. What was it called? I tried using the Brow Contour Pro today and it's very deep. But that is everything that I received in my January 2019 Boxycharm. What did you receive this month in your Boxycharm? It looks like the overall value, 60... 80, I'm thinking over $100 we have in here. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and ring the bell down below. That way you'll be notified anytime that I upload. Feel free to follow me on my other social media. I am Mrs. Shiny Side on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, and I am Stephanie Shiny Side on Facebook and Pinterest. And I will see you guys again next time. Bye guys.